that system must be filled. You have to fill the gap. Okay, where is your own children? You know, my children is in Harvard University. He's somewhere in Cambridge. They're in US, they're in UK. Some of them are in Canada. So they are not man enough to join the army. No, it's you people that need to do that. Must I present my own children? To them, you need to go and fill the gap. So that what their son and their children are good at is ministerial position, to be minister, which they don't even give them these days, or contest for governorship, which they have, because they restructured that one. If they want to set everything, why is it that the restructured state, governor, for you to be a governor, you have to come from your state. But when it has to do like commander, area commander of 82D, the one of in Imo, okay, you hear Musa. Musa is the area commander. Why? But when it has to, anything that has to do with governor, you have to go rotate from state, the state. Yeah, you Jesus from that state, which is good. Why don't they make also security like that? That DPO must be from Enugu, or from Anambra, or from Imo, or from Delta. DPO of Edo State must be a Doman. DPO of Oyo State must be an Oyo man. They will bring somebody from the north and put. But within their northern circle, they have already find out what they want, use this opposition, protect our boys that we are going to send in that area where we are serving. Make sure that nothing happens to them. Even if they call them red-handed, let the statement change. And anybody that kick against it the first time from that region, tell us so you can transfer the person to another place. Maybe you tell them you have to come for training in Zaria. The day the person will come for the training in Zaria, they will lay ambush. That's all. And that you hear, because you already know that they did something somewhere in the north. It's no longer news. Nobody will say, truly, they're still existing. No, they exist, The same way Asarok exists, that's how the whole thing exists now. So when they buy you, it's not going to be breaking news. They can't do that. I'm going to say that let them put their children first. They will never, never, they will not, because they understand it very, very well. Now, when you hear people from DOS, because why I'm saying this is for you to understand that people who refuse to join the army, it's not as if they just wake up and say, okay, let us not join army. Oh, if you made it, and that thing is what is going on now. Some of you that doubted everything that Biafran had been saying, was saying and all that, now it's getting clearer. Like I always say, some people may not understand it now. It will take them some time to understand it. Okay? Let us answer this call before, because I want to play something about this recruitment that's going on. But let's answer this, our brother. Hello?
Hello, guys. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you, one man.
I do my captain. I just wake up now. Say make I enter whether you day life. I must say you day life.
I did life for.
Yes. Thank you for what you're doing.
Thank you so
you're
much.
You're doing a very great work.
I appreciate it.
It's not easy to somebody to always crack in brain and come to the word and start speaking to the word. My brother, you're doing a great work.
Thank you.
And you're not just doing a great work, you're touching a lot of life, I appreciate you. God bless you, my bro.
Amen, you too.
Thank you. Kai, I already said, let me use English so that I'm talking to Biafrans. Mm-hmm. Sometimes when they talk about this Biafra, some people will be thinking that it is only Igbo people